Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Today I have brought to you English workshop of the poem Past, Present, Future. Students, Past, Present, Future is optimistic and inspiring poem written by Emily Bronte. So, let's start with today's workshop. Come at page 2.
Read the poem aloud using proper rhythm and intonation. Tell me, smiling child, what the past is like to thee. An autumn evening soft and mild, with a wind that sighs mournfully. Tell me what is the present hour, a green and flowery spray, where a young bird sits, gathering its power to mount and fly away. And what is the future, happy one? A sea beneath a cloudless sun, a mighty, glorious, dazzling sea, stretching into infinity. Emily Bronte.
Link the items in the three columns properly. A column, B column and C column. We have to match column A to B and B to C. First we will go and see what content of A column. A column we have past, the present hour, the future. In B column we have a sea beneath a cloudless sun, a soft and mild autumn evening, and a green flowery spray where a young bird sits. In C column we have a pleasant time which has ended, an exciting thrilling time which has no end, a time full of life in which you gather strength. Now let's match. Let's move to the first column, the past. The past is what? A soft and mild autumn evening. From C column we have for this a pleasant time which has ended. Now in A column we have the present hour. For that B column we have a green and flowery spray where a young bird sits. From C column answer is for this we have a time full of life in which you gather strength. The future. The future, a sea beneath a cloudless sun. And in B column, a sea beneath a cloudless sun. In a C column is an exciting, thrilling time which has no end. So we have match A to B and B to C. Let's move to question 3. Find the meaning of the following words. Thee. Thee means you. It is archaic word. Archaic means old usage or the old English word. Mournfully is sadly. Mournfully means sadly. Spray, a flowering branch. Flowering branch. Might, physical strength. That is might means mighty, physical strength. Now let's move to question 4. For question 4, write the adjectives that are used to describe the following. Now evening. Evening is described as soft and mild. Evening, soft and mild. Now spray. Spray, green, flowery. And what about sea? Sea is mighty, glorious, dazzling. Sea is mighty, glorious and dazzling. 5. Write one line about each of the following with the help of the extract. Wind in the autumn evening. Wind sighs mournfully in the soft and mild autumn evening. Now we move to next. Young bird on the spray. A young bird sits on the spray, gathering its power to mount and fly away. Next we have the sea. The sea is mighty, glorious and dazzling and has stretched into infinity. Now next question students here is language study, that is poetical devices, and that we have done in our earlier session, in a previous session. So go once again to that video and watch it and revise it. So your concept will become more clear. Now next we move to last line of page 2. There it is written, there are 3 metaphors in the poem. Can you find them? We have to find out 3 metaphors from the poem. See, in the poem, there are in every stanza, first 2 lines we will find as a metaphor. So let's see which are those. What the past is like to thee. An autumn evening, soft and mild. This is the first metaphor. Second, tell me what is the present hour? A green and flowery spray. Third, we have in a third stanza. And what is the future? Happy one. A sea beneath a cloudless sun. So here we have 3 metaphors from the poem. Since they have not asked explanation, so we need not to give.
Question next. Answer the following question. What is the difference between past, present and future according to the child? According to the child, the past is a pleasant time, but sadly we cannot go back to it. The present is a time we prepare for, and the future is unknown but exciting. Question next. How is the future according to the child? According to the child, the future is infinite and full of possibilities, like a mighty, glorious and dazzling sea that has no end. How does the child define the present time? To the child, the present time is a time where you prepare for the future, which is unknown but exciting. So it is the time to gather strength. Students, there is one last question, and it is about writing skill. You have to write a short paragraph on how I spend my lockdown days. Write in 2 paragraphs, students.
That's all for today's session, students. Please complete the warming up activities and English workshop in the text itself, as place is provided there. Have a great day. Thank you.